Hello everyone! As promised in my last video on the best way to cook zucchini noodles, today I will share with you my Alfredo sauce recipe. Brad found the recipe somewhere on the internet and I like it so much I thought I should share it with you. The recipe is a bit more fatty as it's designed for a keto diet and it's quite large as quantity, but I like that as I like to freeze some of it for later. The ingredients you will need are 12 tablespoons of butter, 8 ounces of cream cheese, 1 cup of parmesan cheese, salt, 2 cups of half and half, 4 cloves of garlic, black pepper, and oregano. Start by melting the butter in a large pan under medium heat. Once the butter has melted, add the minced garlic and cook it for about 2 minutes. Once the garlic is translucent, add the cream cheese and slowly start breaking it down into smaller pieces and let it completely melt under low to medium heat. Next, start adding the half and half very slowly while constantly stirring the sauce. I am speeding up the video, but this whole process took about a minute and a half. When the cream cheese and the half and half have completely incorporated, start adding the parmesan cheese very slowly as well. Again, I'm speeding up the video, but it takes about 1 minute. Once everything is incorporated, add 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, and 1 teaspoon of oregano, and mix everything well together, making sure the parmesan cheese has completely melted. This Alfredo sauce is very versatile and I like to add it to baked chicken, sauteed garlic broccoli, or my favorite, zucchini noodles. And I recommend you have this Alfredo sauce with zucchini noodles because it is very fatty, and fat combined with the carbs in a regular pasta sticks right where you don't want it. You're bomb! And I like to freeze half of the sauce for later use in ice cube trays. Every square is quarter of a cup and it's basically one serving and it has 184 calories. If you like this recipe or have any questions, please let me know in the comments. As always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.